Hello everyone, I am Lovely Limbaga and today I will share some ways on how to become a better cyber citizen. As technologies become part of our daily lives, we must learn how to use the internet responsibly. Being a good cyber citizen means following proper online behavior, respecting others, and protecting ourselves in the digital world. So first is protect your reputation. Remember that whatever you post online creates a digital footprint. Before posting photos, videos, or comments, think about how they may affect your image and reputation in the future. Second is respect others online. Just as we show kindness and respect in person, we should do the same on social media and other online platforms. Avoid hurtful comments, cyberbullying, and spreading rumors. Third, express yourself clearly and responsibly. Since people cannot see our facial expression or hear our tone voice online, we should communicate clearly to avoid misunderstanding. Use polite language and be careful with your words. Fourth, respect intellectual property rights. If you use someone else's work, such as pictures, videos, music, or ideas, always give a proper credit to the creator. We should value the hard work and creativity of others. Fifth, check your spelling, grammar, and punctuation before posting. Clear communication shows professionalism and helps others to understand your message. Sixth, post before you post. Think carefully before clicking and send your post button because online content can stay on the internet for a long time. Seventh, do not share personal information. Protect your privacy by keeping sensitive information such as your address, phone number, passwords, and financial details private. Lastly, remember who you represent. Our actions online reflect not only in ourselves, but also in our family, school, and community. We should always act with responsibly and with integrity. So that's all. So always remember, guys, that being a better cyber citizen means protecting our reputations, respecting others, communicating responsibly, respecting intellectual property, thinking before posting, and respecting ourselves positively online. By practicing good citizenship and etiquette, we can make the internet a safer and more respectful place for everyone. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, responsibly, and respectful online. Have a great day.